snake boots. I'm not. I'm gonna leave these on here comfortably. Hey Larry, can you make sure my door's locked? Okay, good.
Dang it, I should have wore a jacket.
That's what I said. That wind, it wasn't supposed to be windy.
I didn't bring him
Did you look at the weather yesterday?
Yeah.
When I did, it said 2 or 3 mile an hour wind. Now it's about 10.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, that ain't no big deal.
No, but I didn't bring him no jacket.
Once we get to walking, it'll warm up.
I thought that.
Yeah.
How y'all doing today? We are in Bloomfield, Missouri, down here in the Boot Hill. And me and my boy Colton, we're gonna try it here, opening day of turkey season, youth season. What you think, Tope? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Got your green light? So we got Cody and Trip with us today. They're gonna be filming and probably help me do a little calling. Hopefully, good Lord willing, we can get on some birds. It's supposed to rain. I think there's a chance of rain, not a big one, but a little chance of rain today. Me and Trip was just talking. The weather said it's supposed to be like 2 mile an hour winds, something like that. But we got out here this morning, it's like 10 mile an hour winds. It's a little cool, a little airish, but we think it's gonna be all right. So hopefully we get these birds to gobble, maybe get him one on the ground. We're gonna let him cut out on a jake or whatever he sees, as long as it's got a beard here in Missouri. And hopefully y'all stay with us, we can get him a bird.
We're gonna say a quick prayer before we head out here today. All right. Lord, I pray you, first of all, keep us safe. Lord, that when we walk out here, that everything goes as planned. With this virus that's going around, just keep us safe from it. Lord, I pray we can have a good hunt this morning. I pray for Cody. Lord, he was here with us yesterday and not feeling too good today, so I just pray for him, that you help his body, help us on this beautiful Sunday, Lord. I pray that your blessings be upon us, Lord. And I thank you. Thank you for allowing us to be here. It's another turkey season, another day we get to enjoy your creation. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Let's get it, boys.
Let's get it.
We're heading back out here today. Never really got no update on what happened yesterday. But as y'all know, yesterday was opening day of Missouri turkey season for the youth. And we got out here hunting some public ground over here on what they call Crowley's Ridge here in Missouri. It's a piece that I came to last year for the first time. Yesterday was just my second time ever being here, but knew there was going to be turkeys in the area. But as soon as we got up here, we walked way out here on this ridge where I thought it'd be a good spot to listen, and we wasn't, but probably right at the beginning, probably about 200 yards from this gobbler that struck up. So we eased a little farther down this logging road and set up, and it turns out we set up in the wrong spot because he flew down and he had somewhere else he wanted to go. So I mean, if nothing else, we learned from that. And so we're heading back out here. I'm gonna set up on the same bird, and hopefully we can go onto that other side and get ahead of him, or maybe another bird will fire up or whatever. I'm just hoping we can get Colton his first bird today. Cody came with us yesterday, and he said he ain't feeling good, which scares us half to death because that virus is going around and that ain't nothing to play with. But we just said a prayer for him. Hopefully it's nothing. Hopefully it's just from lack of sleep and something like that. So, but we're gonna ease up in here. It's supposed to be a little bit better of a day today. We'll see if we can't get him one. Gobbling, which is a good thing. None of them are close, but we're booking it down the edge of this field / CRP to try to get back here closer to them. There's more down in this direction, but we got some off to our right, but they're one to work left, so maybe if these birds don't work out, that one that's roosted down to the right, he'll work this way. But that's what we're hoping anyways. I hope they react to the call. There seems to be more gobbling today, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully Hey guys, I know it's a different day. You can see me wearing different clothes and whatnot, but I was just gonna give a quick little recap of this last weekend that we had on the youth hunt. I know we ended up not really closing it out in a good way, but we ended up getting after that bird. I think that's the last you saw of me. We were easing down that turn row, and we ended up slipping up over the crest at the ridge top, and we seen him out there strutting, and we dipped back. And what we should have done is, which I mean, it's hindsight's 2020, it's jumped off the back of that ridge and just got ahead of the bird and let him walk past us. But we set up there on the top of that ridge and started lightly calling to him, and needless to say, we waited a little while and I eased back to the top. The bird's gone. I figure it's so early in the season, we just didn't intrigue him enough. He looked alone, but I really don't know what happened. Public land birds, I guess. But just wanted to give a quick little update on that. No, it wasn't nothing special. We ended up not getting the job done, but I mean, a hunt's a hunt. We're gonna go ahead and bring it to you. And we got more coming up soon. We got the regular season. As everybody knows, Kentucky banned their non-resident hunting licenses, so Kentucky's a no-go this year, so we're gonna be limited, but we're gonna try to make the most with what we got. Well, I guess that's about it. I'm gonna get in here and get back to editing. We got a big storm that's about to pop up, possible tornadoes and stuff, so I'm gonna get in here and get safe, get editing, and hopefully get this video uploaded here soon. But like I said, stay tuned. We're gonna have more videos coming soon. Once regular season comes, I mean, we should have quite a bit of content. Hopefully we can lay some birds on the ground for y'all. Just stay tuned.